Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna draw Goku. So let's proceed further. So like always, I'm starting with the eyes. It's gonna be easy, so just grab your sketchbook and pencil and draw along with me. But before proceeding further, let me ask you something. If you think my videos are helpful, then do like this video. And if you are watching my video without subscribing my channel, that's really a bad thing. So do subscribe now and press the bell icon, because it costs you nothing, but my heart becomes a paradise when I see a new subscriber and I just think they're so cute. How come I'm randomly sharing my thoughts? Let's move to the other eye, but before drawing the eye, draw lines like this. They are basically the measurements equal to the other eye, so that your eye may not look different from the already drawn eye. These are just for that. Watch this video till the end to draw a perfect Goku sketch, and in the future I will be bringing more easy videos than this, and I don't think this video is more professional than my previous videos, but I will try hard to make more professional and easy videos in the future. Let's draw a straight line down there to locate nose, mouth, and chin, so that all of them will be in a straight line. While watching the video, quickly comment down which character do you want me to draw next, and I will definitely do that. To draw the jawline, first mark the chin, then 2 lines beside both eyes, and you just have to connect them together in the end. I'm setting the target of only 20 likes on this video. That's really very less. So to the person who is still watching my video, leave a like and let's beat my target. Drawing the hairs now. You can ask questions related to drawing or related to any other thing. I will love to reply, and I really love when someone leave a comment on my videos. So just leave a comment. Does it seem easy to you or not? Comment down this also. So our basic sketch is done. Now let's do shading with the same dark pencil, and like I'm coloring in the eyes, and now I'm coloring in the lens with a 3B pencil. I'm not gonna do much shading as it's a beginner tutorial, and most of the tutorials on my channel are beginner tutorials, because I'm just making videos for beginners. I want them to draw also. Like in this way I will be able to add value in their lives, and they will become some talented, and they will be able to draw any anime character that they want watching my videos. Our basic beginner sketch is done. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye. Love you guys so much. Watch the last video if you want to draw another sketch of Goku.